Welcome to Indian Geography Complete Revision. This video contains important facts for UPSC, SSC, Railway, Banking and State PSC examinations. Let's begin. Into how many major divisions are the coastal plains of India classified?
2.
Between which geographical features is the western coastal plain located?
Western Ghats and Arabian Sea.
Between which geographical features is the eastern coastal plain located?
Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats.
Which of India's coastal plains is comparatively narrower?
Western Coastal Plain.
Which of India's coastal plains is comparatively wider?
Eastern Coastal Plain.
From which region does the western coastal plain extend?
Gujarat to Kerala.
From which region does the eastern coastal plain extend?
West Bengal to Tamil Nadu.
Which sea borders the western coast of India?
Arabian Sea.
Which water body borders the eastern coast of India?
Bay of Bengal.
Which coastal region lies between Mumbai and Goa?
Konkan Coast.
Between which locations does the Konkan coast extend?
Mumbai and Goa.
Which coastal region lies between Goa and Kerala?
Malabar Coast.
Along which coastal region is Kerala primarily located?
Malabar Coast.
For what geographical feature is the Malabar coast famous?
Backwaters.
Which Indian state is famous for its backwaters?
Kerala.
How was the eastern coastal plain primarily formed?
River deposits.
Which rivers form large deltas along the eastern coast of India?
All of these.
Which coastal region lies along Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu?
Coromandel Coast.
The Coromandel coast receives most of its rainfall from which source?
Northeast monsoon.
Which coastal region of India is more prone to cyclones?
Eastern Coast.
The northern circles are located along which coast of India?
Eastern Coast.
Which major port is located on the eastern coast of India?
Chennai Port.
Which major port is located on the western coast of India?
Mumbai Port.
On which coast is the Gulf of Khambhat located?
Western Coast.
In which state is the Gulf of Kutch located?
Gujarat.
Which of the following are India's two major island groups?
Both A and B.
In which water body are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands located?
Bay of Bengal.
In which water body are the Lakshadweep Islands located?
Arabian Sea.
Which island group is of coral origin?
Lakshadweep.
Which island group has the larger geographical area?
Andaman and Nicobar.
Port Blair is the capital of which union territory?
Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Port Blair is located in which island group?
Andaman and Nicobar.
Which channel separates the Andaman Islands from the Nicobar Islands?
10-degree channel.
What does the 10-degree channel separate?
Andaman and Nicobar.
What does the 9-degree channel separate?
Lakshadweep and Manipur.
Which is the southernmost point of India?
Indira Point.
On which island group is Indira Point located?
Nicobar Islands.
Which natural disaster significantly affected Indira Point in 2004?
Tsunami.
Which is India's only active volcano?
Barren Island.
Barren Island is located in which water body?
Bay of Bengal.
Narcondam Island is famous for which unique species?
Narcondam Hornbill.
The Andaman Islands are believed to be an extension of which mountain system?
Himalayan mountain system.
Which sea lies between India and Thailand near the Andaman Islands?
Andaman Sea.
Which is the largest island in India?
Great Nicobar.
Which island group contains a larger number of islands?
Andaman and Nicobar.
Minicoy Island belongs to which island group?
Lakshadweep Group.
Kavratti serves as the capital of which union territory?
Lakshadweep.
The Lakshadweep Islands are mainly composed of which material?
Coral deposits.
Which island group is located closer to Myanmar?
Andaman and Nicobar.
Which island group lies off the southwest coast of India?
Lakshadweep.